Hi, today I'm going to show you how to put together the Easter egg card. This is a freebie. It's just a simple card with the cutout front and back panel. And then there's also an optional inside panel if you need it to write on. And that Happy Easter is not included. It's just something I typed up and put in a label from using my Cricut, because I used the Cricut on this one to cut it. So just go ahead and add glue to, I just add glue here in between my little fine tip applicator. I think it's easier to do it on here, and there is a wide berth around there, so just get close to the edge but not too close. And then you want the pattern facing the front, so just flip it over and try to center it, because you'll see that it'll look better centered when you open the card. You could always write in here too if you have a single-sided pattern paper. And that's it. Just add a little color in the back. So go ahead and add your little embellishment of choice to maybe Happy Easter. You don't want to put anything really, you could put it inside. Just chalking the edges of this before I place it on the card. I had double-sided foam tape on the back. I'm just going to add it, let's see, on the bottom, I think. I'm going to add a couple little rhinestone embellishments. Do whatever. There's lots of places to add things. Just kind of blings it up. If you do add embellishments like this, just know it gets bulky to send in the mail. So, like this one that I'm using in the middle is a little bit too big. I'd have to put it in a thicker envelope. But it looks good, so I don't care. So you can just add whatever additions you want to the front, and it's a real simple card to put together for Easter. Hope you like this project. Thank you so much for watching.